Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. For the last 3 days we are moving down and this drop is more than 18% so far. And in today's video we will try to analyze whether this drop will be continued or we are having a reversal from here. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. I've shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, let's start with this chart. This is the daily time frame, and here we can see that previously we were having nice support at 200 simple moving average. After this drop, we had some support here, and the price line was using this 200 and this 50. This green one is the 50 and this yellow one is the 200 simple moving average, and the price line was using these supports very well. We had a short reversal, but eventually the price action broke down the 50 and 200 daily simple moving averages, and now it has topped here at the 100 daily simple moving average. And at the same time, as in my previous videos, I was telling you that we are having very nice support of $44,000 to $43,300, and the price line has also broken down this support as well. And while the price line was moving here between this 250 simple moving averages, at the same time the price action also formed a harmonic shark move that I shared with you in my previous videos as well. Let me show you that chart as well, and then I'll take you to the live charts back to show you what the price line can do next. That was 11th of September when the price action completed this final leg of the bullish harmonic shark move and entered the buying zone, and I shared with you that chart in my previous videos as well. And this was the chart, and the price action, you can see the end, it was entered the buying zone. And I told you that previously, like before this chart, I also shared some other charts with you that was harmonic bullish bat. Two bats consecutively the price action formed, and this time it completed the shark move, and I told you that from here we can expect a reversal. Now after playing the chart, we can see that we had a short reversal. We hit the sell zone here as defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish shark and moved down again, and right now we are at the support of 100 simple moving average, and we have broken down this very significant support level. You can see previously it has been breaking as a resistance, and now it was breaking as a support. Now if we watch the bigger picture on the weekly time frame, then here I have placed some major supports and resistance levels for you. Previously the levels which were breaking as a support now turned into the resistance, and the levels which were breaking as a resistance now turned into the supports. And here we can see that previously this level was working as a support here for 1 and 2 weeks, and even 3, 4, 5 weeks. You can say this level was working as a support, and now we are rejected by the same level here, and we are moving towards the downside. Now this level was working as a support here, which is $43,000, and the price line is breaking down this level on the weekly time frame, and this support level has been breaking as a resistance here, that is $40,000, and the price line is now at this support level. And this, you can see previously it has been breaking as a very strong support resistance. Previously it has been breaking, like it was rejected here and here and somehow here as well, but finally the price action broke out this level, and here it has been breaking as a resistance, and here it was rejected, here it was rejected, therefore it can break as a strong support. And this level is also supported by this weekly 50 simple moving average, and you can see that the 50 simple moving average is also moving to the upside. Previously when we had this drop, then we broke down this level, and this $40,000 has been breaking as a strong resistance, but we were also having a very nice support of 50 simple moving average, and the price action used this level and moved up. Right now again, this level is now working as a support rather than resistance, because previously it was working as a resistance after this drop, but after this drop right now this level is working as a support, and the 50 simple moving average is also moving up to provide some support to the price action. So let's see what will happen in the future. This is really very strong support, the 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. You can see for the long time, like here for a while in the month of March, when there was some exceptional situation in March 2020 and the market was moving down. Bitcoin for a while broke down the support of 50 simple moving average. Otherwise, after breaking out this 50 simple moving average after April 2019, the price line did not break down this support. And right now we are again going to test this 50 simple moving average, and if it will be broken down, then definitely this level will be also broken down. And on the weekly time frame, we will have the next support here, that is at $28,600. That is on the weekly time frame. Definitely there will be some other volatility, ups and downward moves in the short-term time frame charts, and just showing you the bigger picture. And by the way, right now the 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame is at $38,600 and moving to the upside. If the price line will move more down, then we can expect a move up to $38,600 to test this 50 simple moving average for the next reversal. Now here on the same weekly time frame, I have also placed the exponential moving averages 10 and 21. This EMA 21 is really very important because previously when we broke down for several weeks, we have been moving below the EMA 21 on the weekly time frame. Eventually we broke it out, and now we are testing this EMA 21 again. But right now we are below this EMA 21 because the value of the EMA 21 is $43,394, and the price line is moving at $41,964. That is below this exponential moving average. But so far we did not receive a bear cross between EMA 10, this blue one is the EMA 10, and the EMA 21, because this if this EMA 10 will cross down this EMA 21, that will be another very powerful sell signal on the weekly time frame. And there are almost 5 days are left in starting of next week in ending of this candlestick, and there is a possibility that the price line will again recover above this EMA 21. We can wait for that. Now this is the Ichimoku bullish cloud, and I was telling you that this is the biggest signal on the weekly time frame that can tell us that the bull run is really going to be ended, because whenever the price line cross down this Ichimoku cloud on the weekly time frame, then for the long term it moves below this cloud and we enter in a proper downtrend. And we also have some additional signals, additional indicators in this Ichimoku cloud indicator, like this, the lagging span. When it crosses up this cloud and also crosses up the candlesticks, that is the bullish signal. When this lagging span crosses down the candlesticks and this cloud, that is the bearish signal. Crosses down the candlestick is bearish signal, and crosses down the cloud is a very strong bearish signal. Right now the lagging span is crossing down the candlestick, and when this cloud is in green color, it works as a very strong support, and when it is in red color, that works as a very strong resistance but as a very weak support. Right now we are testing a very strong support of the green cloud, that is the Ichimoku bullish cloud. And these are the conversion and the base lines. Like this blue line is the conversion line, that is the bullish line, and this red line is the base line, that is the bearish line. When we have the cross between these two lines, like this conversion line crosses up this baseline, that is the buying signal, and when this baseline crosses up the conversion line, that is a sell signal. We receive the sell signal here, and right now you can see that both lines are very close to each other. This conversion line is moving to the upside to form another buying signal. And after each buying signal in the past, you can see we had very nice rallies. Like previous bull cross was received here, buying signal. We had a nice rally, and then we had a drop of March 2020. That was an exceptional drop, and then we had a continuation of the rally. Before that we received the buying signal here. By the way, this is the Binance chart. Let me replace some other chart that we can have some older data as well, like BTC, USD, and Bitstamp. And here we can see that previously we received the buying signal here, and after this buying signal, like let me show you received the buying signal that was here. In fact, when this blue line crossed up this red line here, we had a very big rally for a while. This blue line crossed down, but again it moved up and we had a very big move. So right now we are again going to receive this buying signal. We are having very nice support of this Ichimoku bullish cloud. But if these lines will start moving to the downside, this cross will be cancelled and the candlestick will cross down this cloud, then we can enter a complete bearish market for the long term. Right now we are having very nice support of this Ichimoku cloud. We are also testing the 100 daily simple moving average as well, and we are also at the EMA 21, even though we are below the EMA 21, but there are almost 5 days left in starting off next candlestick and in ending of this candlestick, so we can wait for the end of the week. It can be recovered back, and if we watch the support and resistance levels on the weekly time frame, then we are also supported by the 50 simple moving average, and we also have very nice support of $40,000 level so far. So this is the update so far about the Bitcoin. I'll definitely post more updates if there will be some more developments on the charts. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I've shared my link to join me here in the video description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.